I'm saying is that we learn how to say thank you. And that's awesome. But we must learn how to not just say thank you, but to also be thankful. Because it is possible to say thank you, but say it grudgingly. Say it automatically. It is possible to say thank you from a religious place. It is possible to say thank you and you're not really grateful. We can say thank you from fear and from habit. If you don't say thank you, then God will be mad at you and not bless you anymore. So you say thank you. If you don't say thank you, then your blessings will not be complete. So you say thank you. Some of us, we say thank you from a place of wanting more, not from a place of gratitude for what we have received. Jesus Christ said in John chapter 4 verse 23, a time is coming and a time has now come when the true worshippers will worship the Father in the Spirit and in truth. The time has come when those who worship God must worship Him in spirit and in truth. For they are the kind of worshippers the Father seeks.